What's up, YouTube? It's Lee, Custom Car TV, and I'm back with another banger, yo. This time we gonna try to put this radio in. I found this radio. Sometimes you can find real good deals at the Junkyard. I found a $30 Pioneer DVD, and I want to put this radio in this car because I'm gonna change from stock radio. You know what I'm saying? You know how it is, man. When you get a car, you know, you ain't got that much money. You need something cheap to get you going, hold you over until you can get something better. So I'm gonna drop this right here, a radio, in here and change it out. You know what I'm saying? And I want to give a shout out to all the subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Watch me. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the love and support, man. And I'm going to bring y'all better and better content. On this video, this is any of you that's got any of you that's got a Tahoe and you need to change your stock radio out, I'm going to go through step by step on how to change it out. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. So this is the radio I'm getting ready to put in. And this is stock radio. I'm getting ready to take it out. For me to get started on that, this right here has got to come off, you know what I'm saying? So in order to do all of that, I'm gonna have to turn the ignition on. You know, that's the first step. Then drop it down, all the way down. Then you have to drop your steering wheel down, you know what I'm saying? Hold up a second, bear with me. Yeah, you drop your steering wheel down in order to remove that little panel that goes around the radio right here, which is this right here. It just snaps out. It's pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? You just snap it out of there and you pull it up. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Sit on the dash. And you got little tabs right here you got to get out right there for your stock radio. So I'm gonna get the tools I need to get that out of there, and I'm gonna turn you all back on. Oh, so okay guys, we got two tabs right here, one on the left hand side. Let me move my big finger out the way so you can see. And right here you gotta get something to push that down, and then on the other side you got one over here. Where is that? Oh, my bad, I'm looking in the wrong area. Right here, y'all. You see this little tab right here? And you gotta press that tab down with something. And then I usually use a screwdriver to get that done. So I would kind of go like this and just pull it out and go to the other side. Press that tab down and pull it out, and then out comes the radio, you feel me? We're gonna try that. Let's see how they go. I'm gonna get y'all going through here before I get it going here. Oh shit, see how easy that came right out? Pull right out. Pull right out. So now you got the wires. Now don't do like me and have the wires hanging and stuff. So let me reposition you guys so I could get you going, you know what I'm saying? Look, I got a big can and everything. Don't do like me and be trying to videotape nothing while you having, make a video while you having a drink, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And pull up the wire loop right here. You know what I'm saying? You got the power supply, your speaker wires, antenna wire snapper. I don't take nothing to do nothing, you know what I'm saying? And get it going. Put it back in neutral. Now I'm gonna tell you, the whole time while I'm doing this now, my foot on the brake, you feel me? Now, you know, so next thing, some of y'all might don't have no wire harness. So what you gotta do is change out the wire harness, which in this vehicle, somebody already had installed a wire harness. You know, if you was at a professional store, they go to and take everything up and check everything, but I feel pretty comfortable with everything here, so I'm gonna just begin with installation of the DVD player. This looks like a plug and play to me, you know. But some of you may have to change the wire harness. so it can match the radio, whether it be a Pioneer, JVC, or whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? I ain't playing no games, shit. I don't know, shit. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Let me see. Alright, after you install this wire harness, aftermarket wire harness, then comes your factory wire harness. You plug it in. Wait a minute, we got to find the right one to go there. Let's see. Plug that wire harness in, then next thing you just plug your harness for your radio, your DVD. In my case, it's ready to go, you know, just, you know. In another video, I'll show you some more steps to go to get situated, but I already have power, and that's pretty much what it is. So now I just got to pretty much button it up, you know, and we be getting some sound, you know what I'm saying? We be getting some copyrights and shit on video. Alright, give me a second, I'm gonna turn you guys back on. Okay guys, and there we have it. Ain't no way I could hold the camera and record everything, so I went ahead and put this on back together and slapped that radio in there. It needed some parts. It needs some, like a little kit. I didn't have a kit, but most of you, when you change it out, you have a kit. I just want to give you the basic rundown, installing the double-in DVD in your vehicle, SUV, or whatever you have. So I appreciate you watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Till next time, I'm out.